Your body is screaming for healing. And this one simple bedtime move can rebuild, restore, and recharge every cell while you rest. Flexed sparkles just 60 seconds before sleep can unlock your body's natural recovery system, calming inflammation, relaxing tight muscles, and awakening your energy like never before. Crescent Collision Dr. Mandel, you don't need expensive treatments. Your body already holds the power to heal itself. Activate it before bed and watch what happens when you wake. Glowing Star, the power of 1 minute before sleep. Discover how just 60 seconds before bed can awaken your body's natural repair mode. You'll learn how this tiny habit sends healing signals throughout your nervous system, helping your body restore while you rest. You'd be amazed what just 1 minute can do before you go to sleep. 1 minute, that's it. Most people think healing the body takes hours of therapy, expensive treatments, or complicated routines. But your body is a masterpiece designed to repair itself when you give it the right signal. That signal begins in the final moments before sleep. When you take that 60 seconds to connect with your body, to breathe deeply, to release tension from your chest, your neck, your shoulders, you're telling your nervous system it's safe. You can let go now, and that's when the magic happens. During the day, your body is in constant fight or flight mode, rushing, working, reacting. But at night, the body's real healing system can only switch on when you shift into rest mode. This one, bedtime trick acts like a switch, moving you from chaos to calm. As you slow your breathing and gently stretch or massage the area that holds the most tension, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's built-in recovery mode. Your heart rate starts to drop, your muscles soften, and your circulation improves. Oxygen and nutrients finally begin to flow freely to the tissues that need them most. It's like opening the gates to your body's inner repair shop. And once those gates are open, your body does what it was designed to do, heal. The beauty of this 1 minute ritual is that it's simple. You don't need any equipment. You don't need a gym. You don't even need to get out of bed. You just need awareness of your breath, awareness of where your body feels tight, and the willingness to release it. That small act sends a signal to every cell that it's time to rebuild, to recharge, to reset. So before you close your eyes tonight, take that 1 mindful minute. Breathe, relax, and let your body do the rest. Because healing doesn't start in the morning. It starts the moment you surrender at night. Activate your parasympathetic system. This simple bedtime move calms the body, lowers stress hormones, and switches you into recovery gear, promoting deeper sleep, faster repair, and total body balance. Your body is like a smart machine. It knows exactly what to do when you give it the right signal. The problem is, most of us never flip that internal switch. All day long, we're under pressure, screens, deadlines, stress, noise. Even when we lie down at night, our minds are still racing, and our nervous system is stuck in overdrive. That's the fight or flight mode. And when you're there, your body can't truly heal. But here's the secret: with the right 1 minute bedtime routine, you can activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of you that says, it's okay now, it's time to recover. This is your body's healing mode, the repair zone. When you consciously slow your breathing, let your shoulders drop, and release the tension from your chest, something powerful happens inside. Your heart rate lowers, your blood pressure steadies, your brain waves begin to calm down. Your body starts sending more blood and oxygen to your digestive system, your organs, and your muscles. It's like flipping a master switch that tells every system in your body to focus on restoration instead of survival. Think about that for a moment. Just 1 minute of focused calm before sleep can change the entire rhythm of your night. You're not forcing your body to heal, you're simply allowing it to do what it's built to do. This is where deep sleep begins, the kind of rest that restores, not just relaxes. When your parasympathetic system is active, you sleep deeper, your immune system strengthens, inflammation decreases, and your mind clears. It's such a simple shift, from tension to tranquility, from stress to stillness. That 1 minute of awareness becomes the bridge between exhaustion and true rejuvenation. So before you drift off tonight, remember, healing isn't about doing more, it's about letting go. Let your body fall into peace, and it will take care of the rest. Release tension and boost circulation. The technique helps loosen tight muscles, improve blood flow, and enhance oxygen delivery, setting the stage for powerful overnight healing. When your body holds tension, it blocks the natural flow of energy and healing. Think about it, every tight muscle, every stiff joint, every shallow breath is like a kink in a hose. The blood can't move freely, oxygen can't reach your tissues efficiently, and the body starts to struggle just to maintain balance. That's why so many people wake up sore, stiff, and tired even after a full night's sleep. The body was lying down, but it was never truly relaxed. That's where this 1-minute bedtime technique comes in. It's not just about stretching. It's about opening the pathways for circulation and release. When you take a slow breath in and gently move or massage the areas that feel tight, maybe the chest, ribs, neck, or shoulders, you're inviting blood flow back into those regions. You're giving your body permission to let go of the stress it's been carrying all day. The moment circulation improves, everything changes. Oxygen starts feeding your cells again. Carbon dioxide and waste are flushed out, and your muscles finally begin to soften. That's when the healing process accelerates. It's incredible how quickly the body responds once it feels safe. When circulation improves, your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Your brain receives more oxygen, and your tissues start to rejuvenate at a cellular level. It's like turning on a gentle inner current that refreshes you from the inside out. You'll feel the difference, a sense of warmth, looseness, calm spreading through your body. You don't need force, you just need intention. The key is gentle motion, mindful breathing, and awareness. You're not trying to push your body, you're inviting it to open. As you do this nightly, your flexibility increases, stiffness fades, and your body learns to relax faster every time you lie down. So tonight, before sleep, take 1 minute to move, breathe, and release. Because when you free the body, you free the flow, and when the flow returns, healing follows. Repair cells while you sleep, while you rest. Your cells go to work rebuilding tissues, reducing inflammation, and strengthening immunity. This trick supercharges that natural process. While you sleep, your body becomes a silent workshop, repairing, rebuilding, and renewing everything that was worn down during the day. Every heartbeat, every slow breath, every deep moment of rest is part of this incredible healing process. But most people never realize that the quality of that repair depends on how you prepare your body before you close your eyes. When your body enters sleep tense, stressed, or inflamed, it can't shift fully into its restorative state. But with this 1-minute bedtime technique, you're setting the stage for your body to do what it's naturally designed to do, repair itself from the inside out. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that rebuild tissues, restore muscle fibers, and strengthen your immune system. Your brain clears out toxins, your digestive system resets, and your cells begin working overtime to replace damaged ones. When you relax your body before bed and get your circulation flowing, you're giving these systems a head start. You're telling your body, the workday is over, now it's time to heal. That 1 minute of awareness before sleep allows the healing process to begin even before you drift off. Imagine your cells as tiny workers. They can't do their job properly if your body is tense or your breathing is shallow. But the moment you relax, oxygen levels rise, inflammation drops, and those cells start repairing tissues faster and more efficiently. This is where you build strength, where pain begins to fade, where fatigue turns into energy. It's a natural, biological miracle happening every single night, if you give it the right conditions. The best part is that your body doesn't need anything external to do this. The power is already within you. You just need to activate it with intention. So tonight, before you sleep, take that 1 peaceful minute, breathe, release, and trust the process. Because when your body sleeps in peace, it wakes in power. Mind, body synchronization. Learn how this 1 minute practice aligns your breathing, posture, and mindset, allowing both your mind and body to enter deep restoration effortlessly. Your mind and body are in constant communication. Every thought you think sends a signal through your nervous system, shaping how your body feels and reacts. When your mind is tense, your body follows. When your body is relaxed, your mind starts to quiet down. The two are never separate, they're partners in everything you experience. That's why this 1 minute bedtime trick is so powerful. It's not just a physical movement or a breathing exercise. It's a moment where your mind and body reconnect and realign before sleep. All day, you're bombarded with stimulation, notifications, responsibilities, worries. Your mind races ahead while your body struggles to catch up. By nighttime, you're physically exhausted but mentally wired. This is where the practice comes in. When you focus on your breath and consciously let your body soften, you create harmony between the two. Your breath slows, your thoughts settle, and your entire system begins to synchronize. That's when your body starts releasing tension and your brain sends out the message. It's safe to rest now. This synchronization is what allows your body to enter the deepest stages of sleep, the kind that restores not only your muscles, but also your emotions, your focus, and your energy for the next day. You're no longer just falling asleep, you're entering a state of complete restoration. The body listens to the mind, and the mind learns to trust the body again. That unity is where true healing begins. Each night, this simple minute of awareness strengthens that connection. Over time, your mind will learn to calm faster, your breathing will become steadier, and your body will relax more deeply. It becomes a loop of healing energy, effortless, natural, powerful. So tonight, as you prepare for rest, quiet your mind and honor your body. Let them work together, not against each other. Because when your mind and body move in harmony, your whole being begins to heal. Wake up recharged, pain-free and focused. Experience the transformation. Wake up lighter, stronger, and more energized. Feel the difference in your posture, mood, and performance from night 1. When you start your night the right way, you change how you wake up in the morning. Most people roll out of bed feeling drained, stiff, and foggy, not because they didn't get enough hours, but because their bodies never entered true recovery. Real rest isn't just about sleeping. It's about how your body uses that time to repair, rebalance, and reset. That's what this 1-minute bedtime trick unlocks: the ability to wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more alive. As you practice this nightly routine, your body begins to recognize the pattern. The moment you slow your breath, release tension, and let your muscles soften, your nervous system immediately shifts into repair mode. Blood flow improves, inflammation drops, and your organs start functioning more efficiently through the night. You begin to notice that your mornings feel different. Your energy is steady. Your mind is focused. Your body feels open and strong. That's because every cell spent the night doing what it was designed to do: heal and rejuvenate. This transformation doesn't happen by chance. It happens because you made the choice to prepare your body before rest. You gave yourself permission to slow down, to breathe, to connect. That 1 minute of awareness before sleep becomes the foundation for everything that follows. You start to wake with purpose, not fatigue. You move with ease, not stiffness. Your posture improves, your focus sharpens, and your mood lifts. You start your day ahead instead of trying to catch up. What's beautiful about this process is that it compounds. The more consistently you do it, the deeper your body's healing response becomes. You're literally retraining your system to rest smarter, not longer. So tonight, take that moment, 1 minute, to prepare your body for restoration. Because when you rest with intention, you don't just sleep, you rise stronger. As you lie down tonight, remember, your body is ready to heal. It just needs your permission. 1 mindful minute before bed can unlock that natural power within you. Breathe deeply, release the day's tension, and let your body do what it's designed to do: repair, restore, and rejuvenate while you sleep. This isn't just another bedtime routine. It's a reset for your entire system. Give yourself that moment of calm, that moment of care. Because when you honor your body before sleep, you don't just rest, you rebuild. And tomorrow, you'll rise renewed, recharged, and unstoppable.